Hooray!
And finally, frog burp.
It's such...
Hello there.
A gnome!
Mind if I is small?
Of course, it will get bigger when the magic wears off.
When is the magic going to wear off, Nanny?
About now.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Pippin likes you, Daddy.
Oh, yes. And a drink. Oh, that should make Pippin feel at home.
Yes. Well done, Gaston. Give me the car keys back now.
He's swallowed the keys.
And pickles. It's a bit of a squeeze in here. I'll just move this little staircase.
He's eating everything!
What?
We like fried eggs and sausages and bacon and pancakes and... You've eaten it all!
Well, if you... Can I have this pie?
Yes, I suppose so.
Very nice.
Oi, King Leopold.
Well, he's there.
He's that gnome eating your boat. Quick, to the surface.
Naughty octopus! Stop eating! Stop at once, I say!